as the dusk comes into the goodnight kiss of the father's son, Gemini sun, full moon, and summer solstice. Yay! Longest day of the year. What are we going to do with all that time? Are we going to plant trees? I hope so. Why is everyone so fascinated still by cartoons? Now, I remember when I was, and now I understand why my grandparents watched the same program they've seen for 25 years. Because it's familiar and it's the value system you grew up with. But there's these magical moments like this. I just had a dragonfly land on my knee, this knee right here, and so that was kind of cool, don't you think?